Hello, welcome to Small Town Customs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make weathering powder on the cheap. First, you're going to need a card. And we're going to do the bottom here. Next, you're going to need some eyeshadow. That's right, eyeshadow. Then, you're going to need some glycerin. First, you open up the eyeshadow. Take out your little brush. Take the paintbrush end. You want to put just a dab of oil on the end of the brush. Just a little dab. Can you see that? Then you want to dip it in whatever color you want. Just rub it around. And you can powder it on. This silver's not going to show up, but it is going on there. Let's try a different color. Then you want to dry your brush off. Get another drop of oil. Let's try a dark color. Look at that. Can you see it? Just highlighted some of the spots on the bottom of the car. Now let's try a different color. Dry our brush off. Put a little dab of oil on it. Let's try gold. I don't know if this is showing up or not. Let me zoom in. Can you see it now? It's not showing up very good on camera, but it is a little black and a little bit of gold in there. And then all you got to do is clear coat over it and it won't come off. Let's dry our brush off. Let's try a different color. Zoom back out. Another little drop of oil. Let's try purple. Let me zoom in. There, can you see the purple? It's not really picking it up on camera, but I can even see it back in here. Then you just clear coat over it, and it'll be on there permanent. Thanks for watching.